All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to my Pepe family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, without further ado, let's take a look at what's happening with Pepe today. And of course, what we could be expecting going further into the week. So again, if you are a crypto holder, if you're a meme coin holder, I'm sure you guys know at this point what has been happening for the crypto space. It's just been complete madness. People are making money. No one is complaining, especially to anyone that has been accumulating cryptocurrencies or meme coins over the course of the last few months. Especially before November, anyone that's been accumulating, whether it's meme coins or even utility projects, obviously at this point, no one really needs to know what has happened for the crypto space over the course of the last 30 days. But let's take a closer look at meme coins, because over the past, I would say 2 weeks now, we have seen utility projects outpacing meme coins by a big margin. Are we about to see that shift happening for meme coins again? We need to remember memes have been pretty much going crazy over the course of the last year. And one thing I want you guys to look at it is, if you're looking at it on the monthly time frame, there's still memes up 130%. So you can't be forgetting that. Look at Pepe, it's up 151%, Dogecoin up 170, Bonk up 130%. So you guys get the idea. Memes are also going up. It's just not at the magnitude a lot of people are waiting for. And this is bringing me back to the previous cycle, because there was a time at previous cycle we did not see meme coins even existing to the level they are. Meme coin meme coins existed in terms of a huge market valuation, or a category itself existed due to Dogecoin making the moves the way it did last cycle. And then, multiple different meme coins existed. Reason why you're looking at even Pepe existing to this day is because of Dogecoin, going crazy last cycle. If Dogecoin never went crazy last cycle, I don't think there would have been a meme coin category. That's my personal opinion. Let me know in the comments if you think otherwise. But if you're looking at Pepe right now, 2087 up 3.1% in USD, up 1.1% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative market cap. Not exactly at that $10 billion mark yet, but it's at $8.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 4.1 billion, which is nice to see. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's kind of go back as to what I was saying. So the previous bull cycle, obviously meme coins went crazy, Dogecoin was going crazy, and then later in that bull cycle, especially quarter 4, meme coins just exploded. But before, it was the utility projects, that were thriving. And utility projects this time around never really moved. We did see that increase early this year, but never to the magnitude of what we're seeing right now. And that is due to that regulation aspect coming towards crypto. Major big events taking place, huge rumors flying around, ETFs, indexes launching, and these indexes are not consistent of meme coins, if you notice. And that's not to say that we're not going to see meme coins not hitting the ETF spotlight. I think there will be a time where you do see a meme coin ETF, mark my word. But right now, you're seeing some of these projects that you never really got spoken about gaining so much traction, and that huge factor to that is Donald Trump, right? We're seeing a utility run. Your boy called this early on, and right now meme coins are kind of lagging behind due to that fact. If you're looking across the board today, though, market actually did pick up. You're looking at the likes of Pepe, Dogwif, Hat, Sheeb, picking up traction right now. But going back to Sheeb, even though it's gaining momentum recently, 24-hour trading volume speaks for itself for myself. I do believe that flipping is going to happen. Might not happen tonight, might not happen tomorrow, but I'm very confident that is going to happen. And it's really crazy as to how the Pepe, it's a project itself, in terms of the community, in terms of the hype factor, replicating Shiba Inu. I'm very confident we're going to see something similar to what happened last cycle happen with Pepe. But again, this is my own personal opinion. So far, we have seen Pepe go crazy. I've seen Pepe in front of my own eyes done 100x. And I think it's going to go much higher based off of, history, repeat kind of, historic patterns of Pepe kind of, replicating Shiba Inu. It has all the exchanges for itself. It has that hype factor. Obviously, time is the major factor. So if you've done your due diligence research and have invested where you can afford to lose, then patience is your number one key to follow. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with the price. So of course, I'm sure you guys know by now, dominance has been continuing to fall down, which is a great thing to be seeing if you're an altcoin holder. Hence, you are seeing a lot of these utility projects popping off due to the fact that the dominance is going down. If you're looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin's pretty much staying stagnant after, breaking down to that $90,000 price point. We have been ranging above $96,000. And you guys know the importance of that $96,000 if you follow my channel, which is great to see. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with Pepe, because this Pepe consolidation is exactly what you want to see happen, believe it or not. A lot of people are forgetting this is bullish. If you want to look at it from the November 4th prices, because I know a lot of people have forgotten about that, Pepe went up 224%. Let me just leave it at that. 224% increase from November 4th. And November 4th was pretty much, the time to be accumulating altcoins, because obviously at that time uncertainty was extremely high. Market could have went any possible way, right? Either it could have went great or it could have went just completely the other way. Donald Trump got elected, boom. Massive explosion for the entire market, not just Pepe, but 224% increase. So I don't want anyone to come out and say, Pepe hasn't done anything. And of course, if you're looking at it from a yearly standpoint, it speaks for itself. Let's actually kind of go back on the yearly time frame. You can really see it's up 12x. It's up much more than that, but obviously crypto bubbles is kind of behind. Wow, shout out to the Ohm family, Mantra DAO, good old days. I've shared the story with you guys before, but PopCat, Whiff. You can kind of see a little bit of a pattern playing out. All these meme coins are outpacing some of these utility projects. But now if you're looking at the daily time frame, if you're looking at the weekly time frame, you're not seeing those type of gains. You need to understand what has been happening throughout the year. And your boy Crypto ZX will remind you guys of that. But after having a 224% increase, I've said this to you guys before countless of times, you want to see a consolidation pattern forming. After a crazy all-time high like this is set, you need to see the project founding a ground for itself, and that is exactly, I repeat, exactly what Pepe has been able to do. Obviously, we have seen that breakout, it tried to do that, the 2334 zone, exactly the target I want to see turn into support. If you watch my older updates, you guys know about that. But yeah, pretty much doing exactly what you want to see happen, but you want to see that 2330 zone turning into support. If that is able to turn into support, I am very confident, we break towards a new all-time high and see the market valuation go back above 10 billion. And of course, once price discovery happens, we're getting closer and closer to Shiba Inu. But that's how I'm currently analyzing the Pepe's price. You guys know your boy Crypto ZX. I'm not shy away from saying if the bearish momentum is there, I'll be not shy from saying that. But right now, I'm loving the way Pepe is currently holding. I am anticipating, a great few weeks coming ahead of us if we're able to break out of that key resistance and, remain above there. But let me know down below what you guys think. Obviously, we need to kind of keep track of the overall meme coin market as well. We are seeing it doing better than over the course of the last 48 hours, which is nice. But yeah, one step at a time, of course. Do not forget that you need patience. You need to do your due diligence, research, and invest where you can afford to lose, and lock those profits in when you see them. If you are out here thinking that, all these meme coins are going to remain stagnant over the next 2 to 3 years, I think you are not thinking the right way, guys, because these meme coins, there's sophisticated investors that hold them, the people that have been in this space for a long time. They're not going to be holding on to their bags forever. They're going to be dumping their bags once they feel confident. So how do you stay safe from that? Have an exit strategy. Don't be greedy. Lock those profits in. I will emphasize this. I will emphasize this day in, day out. At the end of the day, you guys do works for you. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.